Hello, it has been about 3 months since I posted a flat renovation update video, and today, well, this is flat renovation update day 59, day 60 or something like that, but I've got a major update. As you can see, the kitchen cupboards are being installed. It's not done yet, but we are getting there, and soon the kitchen area will be done. So that is very, very exciting. The rest of the place is still pretty much the same. I'm pretty sure I have shown you the burger bars that I've added over there. There's some more, but other than that, it looks the same. I'm planning something crazy with the bedroom because I'm not happy with the drywall, but we'll get to that in another video. So I can't wait to show you the kitchen when it is done.